Hello, dear children. A pleasant morning, everybody. And my name is Venugopalachari, a teacher of English language in Dr. Besant School. And today I'm extremely glad to welcome you all for today's learning session. And in this session, we are going to learn from Unit 1, Reading B, the town child and the country child. So we are learning about the poem, the town child and the country child, and about their imagination, about their feel and about their heart. So what they would imagine, what truly they wanted, what truly they wish to have. Okay, now we are going to learn about all that, about the town child and the country child. Okay, and this is written by this piece of poem is written by Irani Thompson, both the town child as well as the country child. Okay, and dear children, please open your textbooks and come to page number 16. And here we can find wonderful lines written by the poet Irani Thompson, and has given a complete imagination about a child's view and a child's perspective view. Okay, this has been quoted. Okay, all the beautiful lines about his imagination, his view about. So he wanted something truly. Okay, right. In fact, the poems are not to be read. Okay, and to be sung in a melodious way. Okay, I try my level best. Okay, to present the tune as beautiful as I can. Please don't make it laugh. Okay, you try at home, and even it is available. The nice tune is available. Okay, in the YouTube also, right? Dear children, please take your textbooks into your hands and start doing. Okay, first let me read out. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. Okay, now let me try to sing this. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. I live in a town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The houses all wait in a row. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noise I hear. I wish there were woods very near. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noise I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. There is only one thing that I love. There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of the clouds and me too. So I tried my level best, my children, to present the best tune. Okay, and the nice tune is available. Okay, in the YouTube, so you can go for that. Okay, right. Now let's come to the meaning. Let's come to the real heart of the child. Okay, we can find in the picture. And if you just give your look at this picture, okay, in the first picture we can see the lambs are eating grass, and tall trees are there, and far away from the trees, the green hills are there. I mean, color is different, and logs are there, and boulders are there. Okay, so this picture this picture is available. Otherwise, we can just take a look of this scenery in the village side. In the village side are okay, hilly terrain, okay, the side of hills. Whereas this boy, if you come to this boy, second picture, the down picture, the picture given down the picture, down the page, here we can find the buses and cars and all the traffic, okay, on the highways. On the other hand, we are also able to see, okay, the skyscrapers, high and tall buildings and okay, apartments, and even the lights also, okay, the light lamps are, the light poles are arranged in the middle of the road, okay, it emits light on the either side of the road, okay, and this child is going to attend school, okay, but while going to school, he thinks differently. Just he has gone to imagination and he truly wishes something, but at the time of speaking, at the time of, okay, he was going to school, okay, there was nothing actually happened, but he was imagining. He truly wished something to, okay, have been there. See, I live in the town in a street. Now here the author, the poet, okay, tells clearly about the child. So who is the poet here? The child, okay, himself is the poet. So I live in the town in a street. Okay, I think hardly no explanation is required for this because, okay, all dry words are there and there is no depth meaning in that. But keep your mind in depth to understand the feel of the child. Understand the feel of the child. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. See, if you go to town side, it's full of heavy traffic. One side, all types of motor vehicles and all types of vehicles. On the other hand, and people are simply roaming here and there, always moving busily. Okay, so I live in the town atmosphere in a particular street. It's very, very narrow streets. So where we can't even enjoy the cool breeze and okay, the free air. Okay. The towns are located very, very busily. The houses are located in the towns are very, very busily, and even there is no enough space even, okay, to run the canals also. Such a, busy life it was, and also, and even the cleanliness also is not proper. Okay, right. And there are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. So actually, just we can observe like a full of motor vehicles, buses, motor vehicles, and also trams. Trams means, okay, a tram is nothing but a vehicle that can be run by pushing, trams. And also, one more meaning is, okay, a vehicle that carries people, okay, from one distance to another is called trams. It's a type of vehicle, motors. So buses, motors and trams, okay, and everywhere and every corner we can find them. It's a lot of pollution and busy life, such a quite busy life. I wish there were meadows and lambs. So now the child is truly imagining and truly wished to have the lambs and the meadows here in the town side. So if the meadows and the lambs are there in the town side, and he would enjoy greatly. The town, and the lambs and the meadows and the lambs, okay, added extra beauty and also added, brings a lot of fresh air to the town people, and they would enjoy more and more. And particularly the child himself is talking here, and he would enjoy more and more, and he would enjoy greatly. And nowhere just he would feel something, depressed or something, disappointed or something, not interested. Okay. So like that. So truly he wished the meadows, the open areas, very large piece of land covering with the trees and grass, boulders, sheep, cattle, everything. So that's a wonderful look, in the eyes of the school-going child who lives in the town side. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. So any corner you go, you know, every corner we can find some smoke is going up. Smoke is going up through chimneys. It means what we find? Mostly in the town side we can find factories, business, industries, business industries and factories. They always emit smoke, thick amount of smoke, that pollutes the air. And also all the houses all wait in a row. So even if we are all living in the town side, so we better understand how our houses are constructed. All are constructed in a row, so orderly. And if you go to village side, we can find the houses, some disorder, because there is an open space wherever they would like to construct. So they would enjoy all the natural resources happily. But in the town side it's not like that. So our home is our heaven, our home is the playground, our home is the everything, film theater and everything. So we and there is no other space to go out and enjoy, and everything to be celebrated, and everything just we enjoy within our boundary and our house. So that is very narrow. And there is only one thing that I love. The child is speaking actually. Only one thing he loves greatly. Only one thing he loves greatly. That is the sky far above. See how beautiful and how magnificent the sky is. That seems to be blue in color and sometimes very dark in color. And sometimes, and we can see some lightning, thundering. So, and it seems to be very fresh and, very peaceful. So really, truly, this boy loves that peacefulness and that what you call a thought of complete silence. But if he steps out of the house, he could hear mostly a lot of noise, much noise created by all the vehicles. This is actually the harassing problem in the town side. Of course, if in case we get habituated, that's a different case. But suddenly any village people come to town, they can't easily be prepared to stay for longer time. They don't feel any more comfort and they would go immediately. Right. And there is plenty of room in the blue. For castles of clouds and me too. So there is a lot of space. There is a lot of wide and range of area. There is a lot of space for clouds and other things, and even me too. So I would go and enjoy. So just he thinks so. So by this line we can understand that, and he totally got disturbed or otherwise, and he was totally and no heart at all, no, and any more love and such a great feeling towards the town. And also he did not, he doesn't like the town atmosphere. He doesn't like the town atmosphere. There is no pure air, there is no pure water, and there is no pure vegetables or something, all the eatables which we get from our groceries or bazaars or markets. So everything is contaminated and everything is polluted. And even people also are very tricky people, very, very tricky people, and they always try to deceive for making money. So nobody is very pure, and nobody is and so lovely, and so no lovable people can be found in the town side. So this child got vexed with the town atmosphere and the town, all the facilities he would enjoy. Of course he is going and he is living, but he truly wishes all the comforts and all the facilities one can enjoy in the village side. So this is about the heart, and this is about the imagination, this is about the true wish of the town child, the child who lives in the town side. Whereas this child is imagining like this. So if you go to the next page, we can see and we can experience entirely opposite to what he imagined and expected, what he truly wished. So let us see here. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. If any possibility is there, if any possibility, and if God has given me, okay, that opportunity, I would go to town and I would live in a street. So this village child, now see, if you see the picture, this boy is living in the village atmosphere. Village, a small village, far away from the town, far away from the technology, far away from all types of illusions and all types of what do you call pollutions and everything. Okay, right? And this is a village child. Now we can compare clearly the dress code of the village child as well as the town child. A child who goes to town and who is living in the town, and while going to school, and he has to dress up, see, such a nice dress, tie, belt, in-shirt, shoes, everything is neatly dressed up. Whereas the village child, it's a simple and very ordinary, very simple and very ordinary, and as if their life as well as their mind. Okay, but they are imagining something. See, some circle, small circle, and bigger and bigger. So he is imagining, and he is, truly he wishes something, because perhaps the child doesn't know the value of the pure air, pure vegetables, and pure water, and the purity of the people, the innocence or the goodness of the people, and he doesn't know the value of this place. Okay, so the person who lives in the village side, he is imagining to be living in the town side. So what he is now see, and if there is any possibility, if there is any opportunity, I would go to town side and live in a small street. He doesn't know. Okay, but anyway, perhaps he got vexed with the village atmosphere, and there is no entertainment, there are no other and there is no scope for any kind of entertainment in his life, and he needs and he wants more entertainment and more sounds, more sounds, right? My home is a house. What is a home and what is a house? Okay, so generally, and home is a place, I mean a building or an apartment where we enjoy the love and affection, and where we enjoy the comfort, great comfort, is called home. And house is nothing but the same meaning. Okay, and house is a place, it means it's like a building or an apartment where we simply live, but we do, it's not our own, maybe living for rent, and something like that. But there is no, and where we can't enjoy such a great relation is called house, generally. Okay, but see here, my home is a house, and the child wants his home to be a house. It means he needs some entertainment, right? Near a wood. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. So actually, his house is located very near to the garden or the forest or great number of trees where he could enjoy the pleasures of life. But now, if there is any opportunity and any scope, and he wants to live in the town side in a small street, the lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I would wish someone lived near. If you go to village side, the villages are the very, very, calm and very quietest places. Because and people, population is very, very less there. So hardly 500 or 600 people, or 200 or 250 houses, all together houses. The population is very, very less. And usually villages, they would go to the farm for cultivational works, and nobody else is staying at home. Okay, and also we can't expect any kind of entertainment like TVs and computers. So we don't have any of like that. Okay, even cell phones nowadays, it is available. Okay, but some years ago. Okay, so compared to town, the entertainment and the related something pleasures of life okay, recreation, entertainment is very very less compared to the town side. So that the lanes are so quiet. The streets are very, very, dull, passive, no sound, no entertainment, nothing, no music. They are looking very calm and silent. So he doesn't like that complete silence. The child who lives in the village side, he doesn't like the complete and quiet silence, complete silence. It means to just say, okay, he wishes something sound, music, and entertainment like that. Okay. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. So he truly wishes someone to live near him. It means he wants some more friends and he wants somebody's accompany and he wants somebody's entertainment and he needs in fact he thinks there was no enjoyment and there was no joy in his life. So regularly he goes to school and comes back, no entertainment, everything is silence and everywhere silence. This he doesn't like it. Okay, right. There is no one to play with at all. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. Okay, there is no one to play with at all. So there was nobody. There was nobody to play with him, and there was nobody to do something differently and go together, do together. Nothing was there. There was no accompany, and he was all alone. The boy found himself all alone, and in fact, and he hates being alone and being silent. That we can understand. Okay, the trees are so high and so tall. So his house is located very near to the garden or a forest or a large number of trees. Okay, many number of trees. The trees are growing up very tall, like the buildings in the town side, like a skyscrapers, very very tall, so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours. So he doesn't know what to do. Okay, he doesn't know what to do, and there is nobody beside him, and there is no accompany, there is no entertainment, there is nobody to play, to sing, to jump, to dance, nothing. People are very very less, but one can enjoy the quietest and very calm and very silent life in the village side. Okay, of course, elderly people may enjoy greatly rather than youngsters like you. So you youngsters always you want something more and something more, entertainment and recreation. You always want music, always dance, always songs, and always you are allowed to be josh and very speed enough in all the activities. Okay, but elderly people know they would enjoy greatly the silence. Okay, right. Were it not for the birds and the flowers. But whereas the birds and flowers, they would enjoy greatly rather than according to the poet's mind, according to the poet's view, the birds and the flowers would enjoy greatly their life. They're always chirping, they're always making sound, they're always singing. Okay, they're always singing melodiously. They're always singing melodiously. Whereas, and he himself just finds all the birds and the flowers enjoy greatly, and at the same time finds himself being lonely, very lone, very alone. He is single, nobody is there along with him to sing, to jump, to dance like that. I wish that I lived in a town. So that is why actually the reason. That is the reason, and he truly wants to live in the town side so that he can find many people, and he can also find a lot of recreation and many activities to enjoy his life. To see all the trams and going down. So what for? So in case he lives in the town side, just he could see all types of vehicles going in a row, emitting smoke. Okay, and a twinkling street. What is twinkling street here? It means during night time in the town side, the streets are, like a twinkling. Twinkling means glowing and glittering with lights. If you go to towns, village side, during the night time also sometimes, the bulbs are not glowing. But if you come to town side, during midday also, during midday and midnight and during the night time, okay, whole day the lights are glowing and glittering with full of lights. Okay, and according to the view of this boy, the town seems to be like a Milky Way. The town seems to be like a Milky Way, and it seems to be like, a wonderland. A wonderland. And if you take a long look at the town side, that seems to be like, a place located in the group of stars. It seems to be so beautiful and elegant, with wonderful colors at night. With wonderful colors at night. So nights are looking very bright and colorful due to that lights, due to the lights of the transport one hand, other hand the street lamps and the lamps which are glowing in the houses and apartments. So anyway, okay, during night time, the town side during the night time, okay, nights are very, very colorful and bright. So as if okay, we attend any jatara or something, bazaar or any special occasion, okay, and festivities time, during festivities time, see how streets are decorated with electrical bulbs, electrical lights, different lights. So that seems to be very, very gleaming and glittering and also more elegant. So this was the way we can find the difference in imagination and also the difference in between the true wish of the town child as well as the country child. But nobody knows the value of their own identity. So one has to feel and one has to know, the strength and the power of one's own. But anyway, and compared to towns, okay, villages are always the best places. So where we can enjoy, one hand, the purity of all the natural resources, and at the same time we can also have the people with sincerity, with love, affection and brotherlyhood and like that. And also, okay, and people are not getting deceived. Generally people are not getting deceived in the village atmosphere. So anyway, villages are the most quietest places, and those are the holiest places, and those are the places in the overall globe. The villages are the places where one can enjoy the greatest of life and the pleasures of the life compared to the town side. Of course, the town has its own advantages like education, hospital, medicine, and transport, and something, etc. It has its own advantages. In spite of having advantages, it has its own disadvantages. Whereas village side also, mostly we have advantages, but disadvantages, we don't get any proper, higher education, qualitative education, and hospital, medicine, and likewise transport, and also employment, jobs, employment. These are the major drawbacks of the village side. But anyway, town has its own advantages and disadvantages, and village has its own advantages and disadvantages. But compared between two, villages are the finest places. Villages are the finest places, and one can live longer, healthy, in a healthy manner. Whereas here also people can live longer with all the diseases, all the complaints, health complaints, because of the traffic, because of pollution, because of contamination of all the food and everything. Right. So anyway, my dear children, hope you understand very, very well about this these two pieces of poems, the town child and the country child, about their imagination and about their wish. Right, thank you all very much. Meet again. Bye.